Hey, it's Yolanda at DryerBuzz and DryerBuzzEats. Now, this is the recipe for the easy mini waffles that we cook live at brunch. It started off with 3/4 cups of flour, 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar or any sweetener according to your dietary restrictions, some baking soda as well as baking powder because we use all-purpose flour, and that was our dry mixture. And I just went ahead and gave that a whisk to get those mixed up. Set it to the side. Grab my milk, which was a cup of buttermilk. You can use buttermilk, milk, or cream. Add it to that 1 egg, and then of course some melted butter. Followed that up with, I believe, the vanilla. Now this had the kitchen smelling so good, okay? It smelled like your favorite waffle place, to be honest with you, right? So I gave that a nice mix, and now I got to get my wet and my dry mixed together. So I poured off a little bit into that and then just started kind of working with it. I know I need to get my whisk game up. Don't forget, we cook live. We're going to now have a series of cooking brunch live, so definitely check. So basically, we're moving from Tuesdays to Sunday. So if you want to jump on and give us some great suggestions, help me out in this kitchen. My kneading game, my whisk game, my mixing game. I got to get my game up because I'm loving hanging out in the kitchen. And then, of course, after I got it to the right consistency, you want to make sure you get it to the right consistency, especially with the mini waffle maker, because if not, it's either going to run all over the place or it's not going to spread enough. So once I got all my mixture mixed in there, I went to work on that mix. And it was smelling so good. I had the kitchen so good. All right, so we had a blueberry brunch. I then just started making my waffles, and I added the blueberries later. Now, you can add your blueberries to your mix if you're making all blueberry waffles. If not, just whatever favorites or whatever you're going to do, a waffle station. Hey, do that too. All right, well, listen, hey, catch us. Don't forget, we cook live. This was our blueberry brunch, and this is your easy mini waffles, and I'm DryerBuzz.